Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating a motion project now. Pick the exact frame size and frame rate that match your final Cut Pro timeline so you avoid reconform later. Once selected, import your primary footage and organize it into layers. This saves time when animating. Make sure to set the project duration to the longest needed clip, add a neutral background, and save a versioned file. This first organization step reduces errors and makes subsequent rigging and behaviors predictable and fast. Once your assets are organized, animate with purpose. Place keyframes for position, scale, and opacity where motion must hit precisely, and then ease them using curve handles so movement feels natural. Use built-in behaviors to add physics or smooth motion quickly, but combine them with manual keyframes when you need control. Group related elements and apply masks or blend modes to isolate effects. Preview using proxies to keep playback real-time. This approach balances speed with accuracy, so your animation reads clearly on cut. To finish, render your composition or selected ranges using GPU acceleration and cache to avoid dropped frames, then send the motion project back to Final Cut Pro or export a master using ProRes to preserve quality. Make sure to consolidate media and relink any offline clips before final export. This prevents missing files downstream. If playback stutters, clear the cache, re-render problem ranges, and check that your codecs match the timeline. This single troubleshooting step, clearing cache and re-rendering, fixes most final delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.